All right, within the first 17 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 44 exclusive HVAC replacement leads at a cost per lead of $23.71 per lead, with only $1,000 in ad spend. And our client has already sent out over $84,000 in estimates. And in this quick breakdown, I'm going to walk you through the exact lead generation funnel that we use so you can understand how the system works and how it consistently brings in leads every day. Now, the whole system is built around coming up with an scroll-stopping ad creative, coming up with a great offer, an irresistible offer, with our backend automation that follows up, pre-qualifies the leads, make sure the leads are serious before we send them off over to our end clients. And the most important thing is going to be our Call Connect feature that lets you speak with the leads within minutes. So it all starts with the offer. The biggest factor of a successful ad campaign is going to be the offer. It doesn't matter what platform you're advertising, right? The platform are just a vehicle to show the ads to people. So the most important thing is going to be the offer. Now, with our offers, we use a price first strategy, means we're going to have some sort of a pricing, starting ad prices in the ads, because when you put a starting ad price in the ad, it's going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, right? It's going to filter out the people who aren't serious, and it's going to attract people who know that they can afford it. So basically, the ad itself should do half of the pre-qualification, just the ad, without them even going to the form. So for this offer, we have AC furnace combo starting at $6,800. We have a free smart thermostat for the next 10 installs, 10 years parts and labor warranty, next day installs available. Now it's clear, it's specific, and it's an attractive offer. We don't do free quotes or call today. Those are just vague. Now, next, we run meta ads, which is Facebook and Instagram, to that offer. When homeowners click, they're taken to a short form right here that asks basic qualification questions, like home size, type of the system they need, and timeline for replacements. Now, once they hit submit, they're a new lead in the system. They're not a pre-qualified lead yet. We don't count them as pre-qualified lead because we don't want to assume that every lead that comes in from Facebook, Instagram is legit lead, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who are going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some are just going to be time wasters. So it's important we have a backend automation that kind of, separates the bad leads from the good leads. So you're not wasting time and resources on leads that are never going to buy from you. So immediately after they submit that form, they get an automated SMS saying, hey, thanks for requesting a quote. Please reply with a yes. One second, let me see. Yeah. Please reply with a yes to confirm your number, and I'll get you scheduled. Once they reply with a yes, so the system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Then we're going to automatically reply back. The system going to do this. This happens. There's no humans involved. This is all automated. So this runs 24/7 autopilot. And once they reply with a yes, we know that number one, their number is valid. Number two, they're serious, because they've not only fill out the form, they've also replied with a yes. So this is just another layer. They're basically jumping through like 2 hurdles. So we know they're more likely serious. And number 3, that we know that they're ready for a quote, because we tell them, hey, reply yes, and I'll get you scheduled. Next is how we deliver the lead to the client. Now, as soon as they reply with a yes, that lead is instantly delivered to our client via SMS and email instantly. They're going to get all the information of the lead that they filled out. So name, phone number, what they need, when they want it done. No waiting, no checking the CRM. It's all delivered in real time. Right after that, we trigger a call, which is our Call Connect feature. This is very important. So this all happens within, in 2 minutes. Is that the moment from the time they fill out the form to the time a call is connected, takes 2 minutes. So our client's front desk or whoever handling the phone, their phone is gonna ring. They're gonna pick up the phone, press any key, and then they immediately connect it to the lead while the lead is still on their phone, And this all happens under 2 minutes. And that's the key, because if you call a lead within 5 minutes, you're 21x more likely to book that appointment. So speed is everything. All right, now you might be asking, what happens if the lead don't reply to the first SMS? Well, that's not a problem, because if you have 4 more follow-ups that go out automatically. Now, the first one would go after, 3 to 10 seconds after the form is submitted. If they don't reply yes to that, we have another one that goes out after 10 minutes. It's going to say something like, still interested in a free quote, reply yes, and we'll get you scheduled. If they don't reply to that, we send another one in an hour, and then the last follow-up in 4 hours. So if they reply at any point with yes, it triggers the same lead delivery and call process. And if they don't reply, so for the bad leads who are, just people who put invalid phone numbers, replied with not interested, opted out, they just go down the trash. You don't even see them. And that's about it. So this is the full system. We come up with a, scroll stopping video ads with a price first strategy. We take them to the short form. You have the instant follow-up to follow up, instantly pre-qualify them. And then we have that live call connect feature, which only lets serious leads go through. And that's how we consistently generate exclusive pre-qualified leads for home improvement companies. Now, if you're an HVAC contractor or an HVAC business owner, you're looking to get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately make more money, grow your business, and you want this same exact system implemented into your business within 48 hours, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me, get on a phone call. We see if this is even a right fit. We can talk, see where you are, where you want to go, and if this makes sense for you. Again, thanks for watching, and have an amazing day.